Do you want to turn your big idea into a legit business without all of the headache? Well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are going to show you how to form your LLC using Bizee. Whether you're starting a side hustle or launching your dream company, Bizee handles all of the tricky stuff for you so you can focus on what really matters, which is growing your business. And if you haven't signed up yet, make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's begin. Now, starting your business starts with a simple but crucial step, which is choosing your business entity. There are a lot of options out here, but for this walkthrough, we're focusing on forming an LLC. Now, you'll need to select the state where you want to form your business, and keep in mind, each state has different filing fees, so the total cost can vary depending on your choice. Make sure to check your state's fees before moving forward. By picking the right entity and state, you're setting a strong foundation to start your business with confidence. Okay, so we are going to break down the different business formation packages so you know exactly what to expect and pick the right one for you. Number one is going to be the basic package. It's $0, 236 state fee, and the processing time is about 3 weeks. The standard is $199 plus 236 state fee, also about 3 weeks. And of course, the premium package, which is going to be the most popular, is around $299 plus 236 state fee. But here's the big difference. Your filing is only done in just 2 days. But let me tell you that all the packages includes preparing and filing your articles of organization, plus online access to your dashboard to manage everything easily. And we have all the perks and upgrades here. As you may notice, there is a free first year registered agent service, free first month of virtual address service, expedited filing, just 2 days, business contract templates, EIN business tax number, you have an operating agreement, a domain name, plus business email, free first year business phone number for US clients only, a lifetime compliance alerts so you never miss a filing, and of course, unlimited phone and email support, business banking account offer and tax consultation, and the IRS Form 22553 filing for $50. So depending on your needs, you can keep it simple with the basic or go all in with the premium. Remember, we have included an affiliate link in the video description so you can get started very quickly and safely. Now, if we're going to go to the basic, click the get started. What will happen is you will be forwarded to a new page. Now, this is very important. The progress is around 25%, and let's begin with the LLC name or your desired business name. Now here, just type in or enter your desired business or LLC name, and you can choose from a designator, an LLC, L.L.C. or limited liability company, depending on your preference. In my case, I'm going to choose the LLC. I want you to click the next button. Okay, so let's talk about filing your LLC in Alabama or any state in the US and how long it takes. The standard filing time with this state is about 3 weeks. That means if you submit your paperwork today, you can expect your LLC to be officially formed in roughly 3 weeks. But if you are in a hurry and time is of the essence, Alabama offers an expedited filing option for just $50. For example, if you choose the expedited option today, your estimated formation date would be Monday, March 2nd, or depending on your preferred date. So stick with the regular filing and your estimated date would be around at this time. Keep in mind, these are estimates based on current state processing time, so they can change depending on the state's workload. So I suggest you choose the first option, which is highly recommended, and I want you to click the next button. Another important thing that you need to consider when forming your LLC is the company address information. Now, here's the thing. Your formation documents are public record. That means your business address And sometimes even your personal address can be searched online by anyone. If you are using your home address, that could mean less privacy, more spam mail, and unwanted exposure. That's why Bizee offers the virtual address service, because with this, anytime mail comes in, you'll get notified immediately and you can view it online from anywhere in the world, which is super useful if you are running your business remotely, you are outside the US, or you just want to keep your home address private. The good thing about it is that it's free for the first month, and then you'll get a real physical US business address. It's fully compliant with the state mail requirements, unlimited mail scans, and all these perks and benefits. Just keep in mind, in some states, canceling may require filing an amendment to update your address. But if you don't want that, you can simply skip that and use your address instead. You see that the pricing changes, right? But what I highly suggest is to use that instead. It's super useful, especially if you value your time. Once you've done that, click the next button. Now, if you want to supercharge your LLC setup, you might want to check out the premium service package. This is a $390 value for just $99, and you'll get to have all of these. EIN, which is needed for taxes, hiring employees, and banking. An operating agreement, which clearly defines your company's structure, ownership and procedure, and of course, a banking resolution. It gives authorized individuals control over your business bank accounts, and the 25 plus contract library, an affordable lawyer approved contracts for your growing business. Again, altogether, that's $390 value worth of services, but you only pay $99 with this limited time offer. Click that. If you don't want it, it's okay. Just click the no thanks button and go to the next page. Now, Bizee will ask for the number of members or owners of your LLC. This is important because it helps define your LLC structure and how ownership and responsibilities are shared. So make sure you have all the details of each member ready, like their full name, contact info, and ownership percentage, so the process goes smoothly. Let's say we're going to choose number 1. As you can see, you can choose from an individual or a company. We're going to go for the individual for now. Hover down below and provide all the information needed, such as the name, street address, and click the next button. Once you enter all the member information, Bizee takes care of the rest, making your LLC formation simple and fast. Not only Alabama, but every state requires every LLC to appoint a registered agent. This isn't optional, it's a legal requirement. Basically, a registered agent is the official person or company responsible for receiving important legal and government documents on behalf of your business. And we are not just talking about regular email. So the typical email or documents your registered agent may receive include service of process, official court orders, and compliance notices. Now, the thing is, for a small fee, Bizee offers all these. Okay? Free first year, guaranteed rates, and of course, all-inclusive, plus reduced junk mail. So you're not only staying compliant with Alabama law, you're also saving money right now. But if you don't want that, it's okay. You can safely skip that. And if you want to act as your own registered agent, that's okay. No one's forcing you. All right? But the thing is, for that, you would notice that it requires a lot of more information. If you value time and don't want the hassle, you might want to choose the first one. And from here, all I have to do is click the next button. We're getting there. Trust me. Now let's talk about your EIN, also known as your Federal Employer Identification Number or Tax ID number. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. As you may notice, Bizee offers you 2 options. You can choose number 1 if you don't need Bizee to obtain your EIN. That means you'll apply directly with the IRS yourself. The good news, it's free if you do it on your own, but it takes so much time. Now, what we highly suggest is to choose the second option. You would like Bizee to obtain the EIN electronically for $70. Bizee will handle the EIN application for you and submit it electronically, saving you time and make sure everything is filed correctly. All you have to do is click the next button. Alright, now that your LLC is officially formed, there's one step you absolutely do not want to skip: setting up your small business banking. This is super important because when you form a business, separating your business and personal accounts isn't just a good idea. It's critical to protecting your personal assets because if your money is mixed together, you risk losing the legal protection your LLC gives you. That's where Relay comes in. Relay is a modern no-fee online business banking and money management platform built specifically for small businesses. It helps you take control of your cash flow and get a crystal clear of what you're earning, spending, and saving. You organize your income, separate expenses, and truly understands where your money is going all in one place. And the best part is, once your state formation is complete and you have your EIN, you can apply with Relay in just a few minutes. As you may notice, it requires for you to pay for these two options. Electronic delivery is $0 and the physically mailed documents is $25. It's up to you. Alright, but if you don't want this, you can safely skip that. Click the back button and then go back again here and click the Ask Me Later. Before you finish forming your LLC, there is something very important you'll see here, which is the free business tax consultation offer. This is completely free of charge and you're not obligated to buy anything, but it can be extremely valuable, especially if you are new to business taxes. So what exactly do you get from this consultation? First off, you learn how your LLC is taxed. Alright? Second, they'll explain how to choose the proper IRS tax election. Making the wrong election or missing deadlines can cost you money, so getting clarity here is huge. Third, they'll go over commonly mistakes. And of course, the last is you learn about business bookkeeping requirements, what records to keep, how to stay compliant, and how to stay organized from day one. Alright? It's absolutely free. But if you are not sure about it, just click the I'm not interested and click the next button so that we're gonna be able to finish all of these in just a few minutes. Now, here is the business license research package. Now, this package makes things simple. Instead of spending hours researching government websites and trying to figure out what applies to your business, there is a team of licensing specialists who will conduct the research for you. They will determine all the licenses you need to stay compliant, and they will upload the complete research results. And of course, no paperwork, no guesswork, no confusion, no missed requirements, and you are not alone. But if you don't want this, it's okay. Alright, but we highly suggest you check the second option and all you have to do is provide the address below. Click the next button. Now we're almost finished. You will see the order summary page. This is your opportunity to carefully review and edit all the details to avoid any errors or potential refund issues later. Take your time, double check everything, and once you're confident that all the information is correct, I want you to click the next button. Okay, so we're now at the final and most important step, which is the billing information. This is where you officially complete your LLC formation with the Bizee. And of course, all I have to do is add your credit card information. Start by entering the cardholder's full name exactly as it appears on your card. Provide all the details correctly, and this part is very important. Make sure the billing address you enter matches exactly with the address connected to your payment card. If it doesn't match, your order could be delayed or even canceled. Before moving forward, you'll need to check the box confirming that you agree to the legal statement and cancellation policy. We always recommend quickly reviewing it so you understand the terms and conditions, and once everything looks correct, go ahead and click the complete and pay. And basically that's it on how to form your LLC using Bizee. Remember, check out our affiliate link in the video description, and if you have any questions about forming your LLC, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.